Welcome to Mind Up. Are you ready to unlock your manifestation power and attract abundance into your life? If so, then this is the channel for you. On this channel, we will teach you powerful techniques to manifest money, abundance, and success with ease. We'll dive deep into the world of affirmations, energy shifts, and mindset hacks that will help you reprogram your subconscious mind and align your thoughts with the universe's infinite possibilities. Whether you're seeking financial freedom, a fulfilling relationship, or your dream home, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and get ready to manifest the life you deserve. How to manifest wealth in 24 hours introduction. Imagine being able to manifest money in just one day. It sounds like magic, but it's quantum science. Today, I'll reveal the exact method that helped me and thousands of others attract significant amounts in just 24 hours. And the best part? You can start right now. Step 1, define the exact amount. Precision is key. Don't just say, I want money. Be specific, $1,234, for example. Write this amount on paper. Specificity activates quantum manifestation. Step 2, create your financial reality now. Create a receipt of your manifestation. Take another paper and write payment confirmation, amount, your amount, date, tomorrow's date. Sign it. This tricks your subconscious into believing the money is already yours. Step 3, the $100 bill meditation. Take a dollar bill. Sit quietly, close your eyes, and hold it. Feel its texture. Imagine this energy multiplying. Visualize your desired amount entering your account. Do this for 11 minutes, the magic time for financial reprogramming. Step 4, the quantum movement. Stand up and dance as if you've already received the money. Jump, spin, celebrate. This physical movement releases energetic blocks and signals the universe you're ready to receive. Step 5, the universal signal before bed. Say aloud, Universe, I'm open to receiving your amount in unexpected and positive ways. I trust your perfect timing. Then completely let go. Surrender is the final secret. Conclusion, these 5 steps activate what we call the Tesla effect, accelerated manifestation. Tomorrow at the same time, check your account and surroundings. Money may arrive surprisingly, an unexpected client, a forgotten refund, a unique opportunity. Remember, doubt is the only true block. Now it's your turn. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our life-changing content. Let's begin your journey towards abundance and success today. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.